What is up, everybody? Lucky here, back with another video. We are going to be talking about the threat for severe weather this week, as we have multiple 15% chances of severe weather on the SPC outlook, and we're in this video we're just going to be looking at what is causing this severe weather threat, and we'll be looking at the ingredients for it and all that. So yeah, let's get right into the video. If you do enjoy today's video, please like and subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you get notified when I do go live or make a video. And please share this channel with your friends and family so we can get the word out to people, let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah, let's get right into the video. As you can see here, this is Thursday. We are having a chance of severe weather where another 15% chance of severe weather is possible for Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and also parts of Nebraska. This is your general area of severe weather for the day 4 risk. As you can see, we have a negatively tilted trough, which is also bringing like cold air down. And then you got moisture coming from the Pacific and also moisture coming from the Gulf. That's all going to play a huge factor into the severe weather threat for Thursday and the next couple of days. So there's a trough for Thursday, and we'll take a look at the SPC for that day real quick and see what they're saying. All right, y'all, here is the day 4 risk. We have a pretty decent 15% chance of severe weather for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and also parts of southern Nebraska, where it looks like all hazards are possible for the day 4 risk. An isolated tornado threat is also possible, but mainly damaging winds and large hail threat will be possible. And we also have a day 5 risk of severe weather, which is a very big risk for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and also parts of Arkansas, which also has a threat for all hazards for damaging winds, large hail, and also an isolated tornado threat will be possible with this severe weather on day 5. And once again, we have another day 6 risk. We have a day 6 risk also for severe weather, another 15% chance for parts of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, and also parts of northwestern Arkansas, which also has a chance for, once again, all hazards is possible with this. Maybe a little more tornado threat is possible with this day 6 risk. And we also have a day 7, day 8, but they're not 15% chances, but there is still a very small threat. As you can see, it says predictability too low, which means there's probably a big uncertainty with the severe weather. So let's take a look at the rest of the day 5 and day 6 risk. All right, y'all. So here is Friday morning. As you can see, the trough, again, negatively tilted trough, which is bringing the cold air down. You still get moisture from the Pacific, also moisture from the Gulf. So moisture probably should not be a problem for this severe weather setup, but we'll see. It is a few days out, so things can change. But like I said, your main risk probably like right there, as you can see. Now this is during the morning, and then as you get into the afternoon, there's your trough and there's your wind speeds. This is at 500 millibars though, so this is still pretty high up, but there's your trough. You can see it. And yeah, so let's take a look at the dew points, as we have rich moisture coming from the Gulf and the Pacific with this trough. All right, y'all, so here's the dew points for Thursday. This is Thursday morning. As you can see, the moisture coming up from the Gulf is going to bring a lot of moisture. Dew points maybe in the 60s, maybe low to mid 60s. Maybe even parts could get to the high 60s. But this is in the morning. When you get to the afternoon, that's where all the moisture gets into place. And yeah, so that's for Thursday, and we can head on to Friday. That's Friday morning. As you can see, it still has a lot of moisture, and as you can see here, this is possibly gonna be a dryline event also. But like I said, things will change as we are a few days out. But also goes into Saturday also with all that moisture. So yeah, there's definitely a threat for severe weather. There's your day 6 risk, like general area for severe weather. Yeah, y'all, let's go take a look at our cape that we have for this system. All right, y'all, this is y'all's cape or convective available potential energy for Right now we're looking at Thursday. So it definitely looks like a good chance that we have a lot of moisture, like I said at the beginning of the video. And yeah, you can just see it right there. All that cape. Right now it does look to be capped, but you know, this is like 5 days out, 4 or 5 days out. So things will change. And then as we head into Friday, it's looking like lots of cape. Like, so we definitely will have enough energy for it, for the supercells to start forming. Definitely with all hazards possible. But you can see here up to values of like 2,000, 2,500, which is plenty. And then we can move into Saturday, where we get a lot more cape, which is about, 3,000, I'm pretty sure is what values go up to. So yeah, overall, very widespread threat for severe weather. I wouldn't say significant yet because we are a few days out, but definitely a chance for a widespread threat for severe weather. All right, y'all, so this is our 850 millibar wind speeds. This is generally around the area that you can see your low level jet. And as you can see here on Thursday, there definitely is a lower level jet around like 40, 45 knots. Decent chance to maybe see like an isolated tornado or two. So that's your lower level jet. That can also fuel the tornado threat that you can have for severe weather. And then as we move into Friday, you can see that low level jet is, it's kicking. I mean, up to like 50, 60 knots now. So that's going to be a big chance for, a tornado too, maybe a couple. It's still a very few days out. But yeah. And then also going into Saturday, we have a chance to see a good tornado threat. As you see this at around 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. their time. As you can see, that's a very big pocket of a decent amount of low level jet, 50, 60 knots. But yeah, so we definitely have a decent chance for, like I said, widespread severe weather threat. I'm not gonna say outbreak, but it definitely has a chance to. But alright, y'all, that is gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please like and subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or make a video. And please share this channel with your friends and family so we can get the word out to people. We can let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.